everyone, Chef Yoda the dog here, and it's time for the Monday meal. Today's Monday meal is another dip, so this one could also be used for Taco Tuesday if you want. It is a cheesy broccoli bacon dip, or cheesy bacon broccoli dip, something to do with bacon and broccoli. But my mom also added chicken to it just to give it some more protein and make it like a one-pot meal. So we're going to show you the way she did it, but we're also going to link the original recipe in the description box below. So if you just want to do it like as a side dish or something, you can do it that way too, without the chicken. But this is delicious, and it's good for you. It's got broccoli, so, and bacon. Anyway, if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our channel. We would really appreciate it. Chef Yoda the dog, out.
All right, everybody, as Yoda said, we're making a dip for Monday. Which I guess you could also use it for Taco Tuesday. It's up to you. But this, my friends, is a cheesy broccoli bacon dip. But I also added some chicken to it. So it has more protein and I can make it a one-pot meal type thing. So you got a 10-ounce bag of frozen broccoli florets that you chop up. So then we've got a cup of cheddar cheese. So I use BioLife dairy-free cheddar shreds. 2 teaspoons of dried minced onion. I put a whole thing of chicken in here. Already cooked shredded chicken. Then you have already cooked bacon. So I used a half a cup of bacon bits. These right here. Then a package of cream cheese. So I'm using the Philadelphia plant-based chive and onion. And a 1/4 of a cup of sour cream. So I use Daisy because there's no milk in Daisy. And then a 1/4 of a cup mayo. So we're using Hellmann's vegan mayonnaise. And that is what is in here. So you mix it all together in a bowl, put it in a pie plate. This is as close to a pie plate as I wanted to use for this. And then you're gonna put it in a 375-degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes until it's bubbling and golden brown. So I'll show you the finished product. All right, here's the finished product. Nummy, nummy, golden brown. It was 25 minutes is what I did, so. That is our cheesy bacon broccoli dip. I'll put a link to the original recipe in the description box below. And you guys could use this for Monday meal or Taco Tuesday. But it's delicious. Try it out. Happy Monday.